Kate here with WTI, and be prepared to be blown away by this electric balloon inflator from Yowtiny. If you've ever inflated a ton of balloons for a party, you know how difficult it is. That head rush is no joke. This will save you so much time and energy. All you do is turn it on, place your balloon right here, and it will inflate it. Just by pushing down on the blue side, the air comes out, or you can have it automatically inflate both. Inflating 2 balloons at a time makes this the speediest process ever. It also has these little extenders. I honestly like to leave them on all the time for my balloons. I find it just helps with my grip. But this takes away that daunting task of inflating balloons. It also comes with a few little accessories. This little guy helps you to tie the knots. It has the tape and different things to be able to make a whole balloon garland if you want. A really great kit. Even if you use this for one party, it makes it worth it. But I'm sure you'll use it way more than that, and it'll be a total game changer, and that's my point of view.